this is not coming with an accelerator first of all. So this is a fat bike, which is an electric one. So it is a Hero Electro Renew. And here you can see that these are the controls over here. So you have to press it for around 2 or 3 seconds to switch it on. There is a switch over here on the battery. First you have to on this, and then you will have to press it. So there's a switch over here. You will have to press this button for a few seconds, like around 3 seconds. You can see this is on. Here it's actually coming with this one assist. So this is the first assist, second, third, fourth and fifth. There are totally 5 assists on the cycle. So based on and again there's a sensor over here on the bottom of the cycle. So that's it. And based on how much like how much you're pedaling, based on that this will be there.
Oh, there's a nice rear LEDs as well.
LEDs as well.
Yeah.
It's actually broken while keeping it. So once you like hold the brakes, you can see that it's getting. And okay, so it's off.
Great.
So all the controls are available. It's coming with a Tektro hydraulic disc brakes. So you will have a 100 mm travel and mechanical lockout on the cycle.
Great. The forks, the front forks looks impressive.
And again it's coming with 7-speed Shimano Tourney group set. Sorry,
Altus.
Shimano Altus. So freewheel Shimano Altus is used on the side. And then in case if you don't want if you want to charge it, it's not like you'll have to get the whole cycle inside the apartment or a building. It's a detachable battery. So there's a key over here. You can lock it and unlock it. So it just gets attached over there. You unlock it. So if you want to place it back, you just place it over there on the frame. And just, that's it. You have to lock it up, switch on the battery, press the button, and it's
Long press it.
Yeah, long press it.
Okay.
2 seconds. That's it. So if you want to remove the same way, the indicator is on. If you want to take it off, switch the battery off, turn the key to unlock it, hold this, pull it up, and the battery comes off. It's that easy. So again, the charging port, it's actually on the side. So sorry. This is the charging port.
Oh, USB.
USB. So it's a power bank as well.
Oh, great.
So
So like
use
you're
it
riding, so let's say
if
you're
you
out
want,
of
you
your...
can just use it and keep a mobile holder on top of the cycle, and you don't need to go with an additional power bank or anything. You can directly put your USB. If it is your C also, you can use it.
How much time it takes to charge it fully?
I've not tested it, nor I've taken the review, because like we just received the cycle 3 days back, 3 or 4 days now, I guess. I didn't get the time, so I didn't get to research on the cycle. Definitely I'll take a look at the cycle. I'll check how much the time it takes to charge, and I'll be updating that as well. And what else? The main feature of the cycle is that it's coming with a heavier battery. You'll be getting a buffer heavy, like a motor. It's
250 watt
250 watts.
BLDC motor. So as you can see, if you want to use this cycle for commute, you can go to your office and unlock this particular battery pack, charge it in your office station, workstation, again come back, attach it here, and then get going. So for office commute, it's a fat bike. Again, fat bike is nowadays trend because everybody is moving to fat bike for a good workout bike. So you can use it, and it has 21 speed option as well as pedal assist. So I see it's a good bike. So how much is this?
This is 50K.
50K. So good option. And what's the top speed have you said?
Not tested that. So according to Indian regulation, the max speed is like 25.
25. After that you need a license.
You need to pedal it, but definitely I can guarantee you'll be getting a high speed in this. There's no accelerator. For an accelerator electric cycles, the maximum speed that is set is 25 kilometers. So again, you'll be getting a little bit more higher power to the motor and battery. So a little bit more better pedaling. You'll be getting around the speed of 30, 35. Depends.
See, 30, 35 or 40. And imagine you are in the middle of a traffic and you can just climb down from your cycle, cross the traffic signal, and here we have Hero Sprint Spark. That's an inverted suspension. So, how's the performance of this, or how's the review or anything?
It's actually, I've not heard back from the customers yet. So we just started the store like 2 months back. So we have already sold around 5-6 cycles already.
For the Spark?
For the Spark, only the Spark.
Okay.
5-6 cycles already have been sold. So the cycle, that's actually okay. You'll be getting a better suspension performance because the cycle is actually coming with an inverted suspension. You'll definitely have a better performance on the suspension. It's the same kind of suspension which is used in the normal ones, but just in an inverted way.
Okay. So I see it's got the front disc brake.
Yeah,
and
front disc coming with
that's a
the
standard Heroes offerings. And you have a colored cool handlebars and all, threadless handlebar, spur, I think. Nico handlebars. 13,000?
13.
13 inch, okay.
So that is including
I
all
see there's a considerable increase in the quality of the front forks as well.
So you'll be getting a double wall drum, so which can support up to 120 kgs. So
And the
26 inches
front
wheel.
is a quick release.
Yep. Quick release option is there.
You can easily pack it in your car and leave.
So this one comes in like 3 color variants. One is the orange, one is the similar color, the fluorescent one, in the same shade, like the matte finish, and one is the black. So I don't have it in this size. I can show it to you in the other smaller size if you want. So this will be getting another color in this. So this is the Serlo. So this is actually the cycle that's coming with the mechanical disc brakes
Okay.
in the front and the back. So it is almost same as Sweep. The only difference is that you'll be getting a mechanical disc brakes. So these cycles are all budget oriented. So you'll be getting a good quality cycles in a lower budget.
Sandblasted handlebar, threadless stem. I think it is 21 speed, 70
Yeah,
degrees.
it's a 7 to 3, 21 speed. So trigger system is used on the cycle, not the basic rotary system.
Okay.
So you'll be having a trigger gear. So basically like click and change, which will be much more durable and more comfortable to use. Okay. And
So what is the price range of this?
this it's actually coming around the price range of 15,800 the mechanical disc brakes. So the
Okay.
speed it's 13,800.
Okay, great.
So it differs from stores to store. So we again from Cycle World we'll be giving accessories as complimentary with the cycle. So we'll be almost giving all the mudguard, the bottle holder, bell, and the lock along with the cycle.
Oh, great. Okay. And this is the black version. Same specs.
It's a Hero Sprint Swede. So since just the color is different in the Swede model.
Okay.
So they released a newer one, 27.5 in the Swede.
So this is not yet released
Not yet
in
released
the
in the
Hero.
Hero website. So they'll be registering this on the like first of next month.
Okay.
Okay, so you'll be having a 27.5 inches weight base. So same specifications with a bigger frame and a better color design.
I see this.
So you can see that the color spokes are all colored.
Yeah,
A little bit more better attractive color design. So you'll be having that fluorescent wires. So you can just take a look at the cycle. So it's coming with the freewheel Shimano Tonic.
And crank looks very futuristic.
Yes.
Like, okay, so it has quarterless crank.
Yeah.
Seem like fog. It gives a lot of comfort actually while riding. So this is
So the Swede, one more thing, the Swede is not actually built for like long distance, so you will be having a little trouble. So basically the Swede over the basic one, the basic version, the one you're going with, it is not built for a long distance rides. So once you're buying it, you can use it for a couple of days, and later when you're coming for a service, I would better recommend you can change the hub, like basically the pedaling, the pairing system.
So since I have a Frog Granite, it is also a normal no speed.
No, yeah.
And one speed, single speed only.
Single
So
speed.
can I change it as well, or I think it depends on the
It
frame?
depends on the frame as well. So Frog, I guess most probably you can.
Okay, because I see the depth, I mean the width is looking the same as
Yes, yes. So here on the crank, so this one needs to be changed. So this is actually not built for a long distance.
Oh, okay, the quarter.
The quarter inside. I have that. It actually is already fixed. So if you have taken a look at Halcon, so there's a new, like Halcon also got a new one release. So we have one over here which the customer has already bought and bought it for service. So I can show that one as well. Analog.
This is how much?
So this is coming for the price range of 15,800.
1500. Same as that.
Yeah. So
Okay.
that is coming with the disc brakes. So this is the newer 2020 version.
So front is without disc.
Without disc and back is also without disc.
Without
Same.
disc. So V brakes.
It
Okay.
is just it's newer. You will be getting a bigger wheel size.
Okay.
And again, the next one is analog.
You do analog. So that is also sort of 27.5. Okay.
Yes. So 27.5. The difference is that you will be getting a microshift gearing in this. So a microshift gearing is used on the cycle.
Okay.
So you'll be getting a 3x7 speed. It's coming with mechanical disc brakes on the front and the back. So remaining all the cycle, the almost is similar, but there's a little difference on the frame. So there is a little improvement on the steel on the cycle. So it's not like the basic steel. So you can see that from the color of the cycle itself. So there's a little improvement. Usually when you see with the regular ones, it will be a little bit more brownish dark because of the rust. So here there's a little improvement on the steel given on the cycle. So that's why you'll be getting a little bit more better life. So what happens is that when the cycle, if you go with the steel ones, if it starts rusting the cycle, this one, what do you say? The strength won't be there. So I can show you an example where a customer has already bought a cycle, where the head tube has already cracked because of all the rusting. So it's an older one. We did a service. We already told the customer. He already said that he'll be using it just for a month or so, and he'll be upgrading it to a new one. So he was like, okay, just get it serviced. He'll be using the same cycle.
Okay.
So this is the newer variant, 2020 Halcon. You can see that there's a little bit of a frame difference over here. So newer version, you can see that. A little bit more wider one with a better design. You can see that. And here it is coming in like multiple color variants, same as the Swede and all. You'll be having it in like orange, green, and again there's more newer variants are coming up. You'll be getting a Shimano Tornio unidirectional pulley system over here. Mechanical disc brakes in the front and the back. Here it's coming with an aluminum alloy 6061 frame. So here it's coming, by default this cycle is coming with the bearing system, so which I was talking about earlier.
Okay.
So this one you don't need to go change the crank. So you can use it for like long distance rides and all, there won't be any crank issue. So what happens is that if you go with the regular ones, you can hear that after like particular distance, like after riding it, you'll hear that tick 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 one sound will be coming from the crank. That is because the bearing system is actually rubbing on like internally there's some issue happening. So that the basic one, there only the ball bearings are directly kept. There is no bearing system. So there will be like a circular ring where the ball bearing is placed. On top of there is another internal ring, and that is placed on the
Crank hub.
The crank hub. So that is what it's keeping it more smoother and more longer for it to ride. Having a lot of problems. You will have a frame cut, break. You can see that over here. So this is the problem of the steel. So after a period, the steel, the strength goes off, starts cracking, and again rusting. You'll have a lot of problems on the steel.
But this is a heavily used cycle. What I can.
Heavily used cycle. That is also one more thing. So this customer in particular, you can see that how old is it from the rust itself. It's completely rust.
Oh, so you have to regularly
Regularly
clean
keep it
and
you
oil
have
it.
to oil it, okay, and you don't need to, you avoid keeping it in a wet condition as much as possible. So try to keep it inside a garage if you can, or else just bring it in a home, make some space for it.
Completely. Oh, this is not. Inside it is, I think, rusted.
It's rusted, that's all.
Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our videos. And we will be bringing you further videos on cycle review as well as adventure cycling across Bengaluru.
Thank you. Stay subscribed, stay happy, stay safe.